Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide how to update your BIOS version or Dell laptop or system. So if you are want to update the BIOS version of on your laptop or system, this video tutorial I will show you any model you are using. I will show you the right way to update the BIOS version. First of all, if you are using the laptop, then make sure you plug in with your charger. So once you plug in with your charger here, open the command prompt to get your serial number. Type this command wmic BIOS get serial number together like this and press enter key and you should get your serial number here. Now open any browser whichever you use. Type here Dell drivers. Go to first link and now copy and paste this serial number onto your official website here. Even you can type here the model number as well if serial number is not gettable, system model number, and you will see this kind of page. Click on select drivers and generally you have to select your operating system, Windows 10 or 11, whether you are using. Select that and thereafter look for BIOS option which says BIOS. In my case, Dell Latitude 3440, this is the model number and it's critical, and you can see the date here, and this version is older than this one, 1.290, and its date is also different. You can select here this BIOS option. This is the exact BIOS driver since we have selected the serial number here. So all the listed driver are compatible with this serial number. This is very important. Once it is selected, click on download selected and you will see here exe should be downloaded here. Additionally, you can type here the keyword to just find it faster. You can see. So once it is exe is downloaded, you have to run it. As I said, you have to plug in your charger. This is the exe. Just make a double click on it, hit yes option, and just wait for a few seconds to load it, and again you will see the details. Click on update. And you will see here reboot is required. Reboot is mandatory. Just restart your laptop or system. And you will see here updating your firmware. Don't do anything, just let it do. Your operating system will be automatically updated, the BIOS version, and Windows login screen should be visible automatically. You don't need to do anything. You will see system BIOS update successful. Checking the wireless. This is flashing all the drivers here again. Now you will see it's successful and window will be loaded automatically now. Now you can see we have successfully updated the BIOS. So this is a video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.